Here's how I completed the steps. If you take a look, we're back at the get image from Flickr by search method, and here where we have our parsed result, I'm not doing anything different there, but with the parsed result, I'm looking for the value that exists at the key photos. And if you look at the JSON, you'll know that at photos we have a dictionary, and this dictionary can be, or the keys can be any string, and they're mapped to potentially any object. So I have converted this value that we'd find at photos into a dictionary, and I've called it the photos dictionary. From here I can use the photos dictionary to look up the total. There's another key that exists within this dictionary that will tell us how many images were returned for the search query. So then at this point I can look up at the key total to return the value total photos, and if that exists, then the total photos value is what I'll use to store the actual number of photos that got returned for this request. And if we have more than one photo, then we go ahead and we get the photos array. So at the key photo we have the array of photos, so it's entry 1 for this photo, entry 2, and so forth for all the entries in the array that have all the information for each photo. And then we need to pick a random one. So we'll use the arc4 random uniform function to generate a random index. And notice that we're generating this over the range of 0 to the photos array.count as the maximum, so we can get a valid index. And then we use that random photo index to pick a random photo from the photos array. And notice that when we're actually picking the photo, we're picking another dictionary because each photo is represented as a dictionary with strings mapping to potentially any object or any type of value. And of course the value that we want is the URL_m for the particular photo, so we return this as a string, an image URL string, and then we print it out.